Steve Gray trying to get Torontis to look back. It's not going to work. Trying upwards. So Billy Torontis tries to distract Gray's attention now. Oh, great stuff. He missed the return move just by about 2 feet, but otherwise it was great. I hope for his sake, he doesn't try and copy everything Gray does. He hasn't done so well on his copies so far. Gray got that right foot right underneath and gets the body scissors on from the back. A move that Torontis started, Gray finished quite neatly until that rollout by the bigger man. Reverse double knee hold, and Torontis says no. Under no circumstances will you get another fall over me. Well, we'll see. A good preliminary contest this to lead nicely into the main bout of the afternoon, the semi-final. Well, you've seen Gray do that, of course, and go with the back, but a little heavy for it. Especially when in the backhammer, too. That's more the stuff Torontis can come out with. The body oh, he was caught in the arm lock on the way. Backhammer now on to Gray. 2 minutes to go in the third. Great, really great. Green to a double finger in the lock. And Gray hooking the other foot down to make the double interlock there. Gray decides we'll try and turn this the other way. And both deciding to pull out a stalemate with just under a minute to go. And listen to that applause for good sportsmanship from both men. But he won't stay there for your benefit. And he tried to spin out, but Gray was ready for it. Landed right on his feet. Again, the finger interlock. And again, Gray goes for the hands. And Gray has got about 10 seconds. No, the bell saves Torontis any further problem from that one. The end of round 3, Billy Torontis. His speciality, anything that comes, he told me several years ago when I asked him. Most of these wrestlers have a speciality. Moves. His opponent today has got a jumping step over leg lock. into a toe hold, but here's anything that comes.
Set away, round 4.
I think you can probably handle most of it when it does come to halfway through the bout. 3 rounds to go, 1 fall up. Steve Gray. Steve Gray in the black trunks. Full Nelson to Gray. Peter Zakash, no problem with this bout. He might have a little more trouble with the semi-final for the heavy middleweight belt. The next bout, Mike McManus in the ring. They can more or less relax on this one. Now he's going to try that same move, surely, that Gray tried in the first, but he's too late. He's too late. He missed that stamp by about 7 or 8 inches there. Gray got the drop kick in so quick. The speed of this boy. Nicely over there. Oh, he caught that one well then, Torontis. Very well. Yes. And Billy Torontis back in the bout now in round 4, and it took him 1 minute, 17 seconds. John Harris.
Ladies and gentlemen, the 4th round, and an equalizing fall goes to Tornado Billy Torontis.
Yes. He knows which camera's on him. And a very good equalizer it was, too. 2 rounds to go, 1 fall each. Now, anybody's guess from now on.
Set away, round 5.
As we go into round 5, whoever wins this has been a great preliminary contest. Very, very good one. Great fun, good sportsmanship, nice wrestling. And one of the best moves was that, and quickest moves, was funnily enough, was by Torontis in that end of that last round. Got a great folding pressing from the side. Oh, well, let's hope he doesn't try that one. His impersonations of Steve Gray are not that hard. Gray a little bit too light. 4 stone lighter. Yes, but caught. Gray, has he got the weight to hold those legs down? He has. 1 minute, 10 seconds into round 5. And it's Steve Gray, the lighter man, by 4 stone, who gets the decision. And your master of ceremonies to announce it, John Harris.
And ladies and gentlemen, by 2 falls to 1, the winner, Steve Gray. And a hand for the loser, Tornado Billy Torontis.